Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and this is how to log out all session in Messenger. So to do this process, first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, once you are here, select the menu icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, here you will have an option over here, settings. So go ahead and select on that. Now, here on the settings, just simply scroll down to the very bottom until you see Account Center, and you will have an option over here, see more in Account Center. Now, here on the Account Center tab, you will have an option down below, password and security. Tap on it. And from here, you should be able to see security checks, and you will have here where you're logged in. So go ahead and tap on that. And from here, as you can see, this is my accounts, and I'm gonna select the Facebook. And from here, you should be able to see all of the sessions that you have on your Facebook. And in order for you to log them out, select devices to log out down below. And after that, just simply select all. And from here, just simply select log out in order for you to log out all session in your messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.